Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to this video. So this is my first video of my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to set up the Python development environment for your laptop, Windows 10 computer, or anything which runs Windows 10. This is just a beginner's setup, so let's get started. First thing you have to do is open your web browser. In this case I'm using Google Chrome, and then you have to search python.org python.org, and then when you reach this website you have to go to downloads, and then you just have to click download Python 3.8.5. so I have already downloaded. I'll just show you this in a minute. So yeah, I have already downloaded here. You can see it's Python. And then the next thing you have to download is a Python uh, script editor in which you can write scripts and all. So you just have to search Sublime text, like Sublime text, and then the first link will come. Click on that, and then just go to download section, and here you can select Windows portable version, and yeah, you can select any one of these. One of them is for 64-bit, the another one is for 32-bit. I will show you how you can see is your computer 64 or 32-bit. So we'll just go to our file explorer, and then we'll go to this PC properties, right click, and then you will find properties. So here you can see I am using 64-bit based processor and 64-bit based operating system. So you already got the idea about it, and then you can just check your computer like that. So we'll just click on 64-bit. It will start the download. In this case I have already downloaded it, and we'll close that. I'll give both the links of these websites in the description below. And now when you have installed Sublime text, you can just open it and then create a file, and then you can just start programming it this. But before doing that, you have to first click tools on this white bar here, tools, and then go to build system. For you it will be automatic, but I was already selected, so just click Python. This will help you in running the commands, and then you can just simply type a simple command. Well, and then just type just click Control B on your keyboard, and this will pretty much run your command. Like you can just see this. Yeah, so actually, yeah, you get the idea about it. Thanks for watching this video. I'll give all the links in the description below, and make sure to subscribe if you like the video. Like it, share it, help each other to learn. Thank you.